Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Because some of you became host and they muted. I'm not getting voice. I'm unable to unmute.
Ma'am, we can unmute, ma'am.
Mic, ma'am. You did not have the mic.
Have
option.
mic, ma'am.
I'm remove headphones. Remove headphones.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, 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 yes.
Ma'am, I am not
Ma'am, can you hear, ma'am?
Yes, I'm getting now. Now I am getting.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, I am getting you. Are you all getting my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. I will share my screen. We'll do first textbook exercises, children. After that, we'll go for next lesson. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. I don't know what happened. Suddenly, that Zoom app it's deleted from my laptop. I reinstalled so that it's late. What is this?
Ma'am, what is 73250?
Hmm. 1 second, children. I didn't open still book. 1 second, if you wait.
Hello, guys. Someone came in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Navneet.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's not opening, ma'am. It's not opening, ma'am. It's digibook, ma'am.
Busy book
Only
is not
24
opening. You have to log in.
I log in,
Harsha.
ma'am.
Then why it won't?
I think we need to click the register button.
I registered long back. What is our access code? Last 1 second. Everything is tension. 1 3.
And there's some passwords came, ma'am, some numbers.
Ma'am, in my laptop also suddenly it was deleted, ma'am, in the class only.
Harsha, every time whenever you want to log in, you have to access through code only. Every time. Every time you have to access with code.
Ma'am, I have that code, ma'am.
Once you will enter, that code will be saved there only. You just last month it will be our cookies.
Okay, ma'am.
So
I'll
we
try
can,
once.
yeah, you have to open in that way. Navneet book, it's a headache process, but we have to open.
I'll try it.
Ma'am, what are we doing now?
Textbook exercises, ma'am. Textbook exercises we'll do.
But I didn't got. Ma'am, we are
Yes,
in.
ma'am. I also did not
Yes,
get
yes,
it.
be muted. Let me open.
Ma'am, this is that second lessons, ma'am. Ma'am, you should tell second lesson, ma'am. We did only half.
This is
And that
In that Stone Age cover around the human technology. That
Ma'am,
one.
I did not get
be
it.
muted,
Not
LFU. Be
there.
muted, LFU. This is problem. History lessons will be one in some place and geography will be somewhere.
Ma'am, history will be in starting, ma'am.
Yeah. Long back we have done geography. Maybe it's open there. We'll see.
Ma'am, why it is taking so much time to reload, ma'am?
Yeah, starting of the book, history will be, and this book is already in the middle. What is this? Page number 20?
And this is on life of
Yeah, yes, 1 second.
It only two.
Yes, ma'am. No. Ma'am, go to
Yes.
next page. Might come.
Yeah. This is our book, children. This is our page. I'll take one page so that we can make a little bigger. Yes. Now take your pencils.
3.3 years ago.
Yes.
Ma'am.
First one. When did the
Ma'am,
Stone Age
Ma'am, that
is
start?
3.5 million ago.
Ma'am.
Third one.
3.5.
Not third one. Second. Second one.
So
3.3
3.5 millions, ma'am.
is 3.3.
3.3.
3.3 million.
3.3 million. This is history
And
lesson.
second one is blade tools.
Yes, ma'am. Blade tool.
20%.
History lesson 2. First bit. A bit. A bit. First one. B. Second one, children. Knives have evolved from dash.
Blade tools.
Blade tools.
Blade tools.
Yes. Second one is C.
Blade tools.
C. Third one. Dash.
The stone age covers around that of the human technological
Yes. The Stone Age
history.
covers around dash of the human technological history. What is? Did you read? Did you read? Yes. You didn't get anywhere answer.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I did not get it. I read the full.
Yes, actually, Stone Age covers almost 99% because in Stone Age we have three
Ma'am, 99%, ma'am.
Mesolithic and Neolithic. In these three ages only, man invented so many things. Yes. Next one. Stone Age in India lasted for Stone Age in India lasted for
600 years.
100,
100 years.
600,000 years. Next.
1,000.
Yes.
600,000.
Fifth one. Microliths are found in dash period. In which period?
Ma'am, Mesolithic. Mesolithic.
Yes, Mesolithic period. This is A bit, children. Next.
Ma'am, what is fourth one, ma'am?
Fourth one B. Next. D.
Ma'am, matching, ma'am, now.
Yes. First one. Stone Age. Stone Age. What is the right matching for Stone Age, children?
Ma'am, making and using stone tools and weapons.
Yes, making and using stone tools and weapons. That means D is the right option. Next, number 2, plate tool.
I mean, need to match or we need to write the letter.
Nirupam. Once again, be quiet, children. Nirupam, take ABCD and write.
I can't see your screen,
Okay.
ma'am.
You rejoin. Be muted once again. Sukumar, you please rejoin him now. Plate tool. Plate tool. Made from clay.
Group of
And from
sharpening board tools.
Yes, E option is the right answer. Mesolithic age. Mesolithic age is
Model of
Middle of Stone Age. Ma'am, Middle Stone Age.
yes, Middle Stone Age. Next, Bhimbetka. Bhimbetka.
Cave painting.
Now, last one. Bureen. What is left over? Yes. These are A bit and B bit. Please complete, children. I will just move on to next page.
Ma'am, but how 99% will come in that one, ma'am?
Because- Yes, yes.
periods.
Yes, all the three periods together. Yes, here 3 periods. In Paleolithic age they invented something, in Mesolithic age so many, and in Neolithic remaining wheel, pottery, everything.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I close? Shall I move to next page?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute. 1 minute, ma'am.
You can see answers here, no? I'll just move on. It will take little time. Okay.
Ma'am, you can remove. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You can remove.
Yes. Next. Fill in the blank. Paleolithic tools were made by dash stones. Paleolithic tools were made by dash stones. Which stones they use?
Stone.
Huh?
Technological.
No,
Ma'am, technological stone.
not technological. They're having one name. Shall I write it out? Shall I clear?
Yes.
Stone tools. Stone tools.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Stone tools only, Jayan, but that stone is having a special name. We have seen in tools. That is chipped
Ma'am, that
stone.
name is Burin, ma'am. Burin.
Chipped stone. Chipped. This is C-beat first one. C-beat first
Ma'am,
one.
second answer is 4 tool.
That is chipped
Core
stone. Chipped stone.
Second answer is core tool, ma'am.
Yes, next one. The stone which is left after chipping is called core. Core, not core tool. If they make anything with that core, that is core tool. Actually, that is core. Yes. Next, third one. At dash size, people made tools and also laid for.
Factory site.
Read question properly, Abhiram.
Habitation site. Habitation and practice sites.
Yes. Habitation.
Ma'am, it is
Habitation.
like people made tools and also lived for longest
Yes.
periods.
Habitation
So we have
and
to know
factory
that.
sites.
Ma'am, in 2 we should write on. Write tool.
Both habitation and factory sites. Read both one, children. In dash technique, one tool was used as a hammer to strike off plates from the other
Ma'am,
stone.
stone and stone. Ma'am, stone and stone.
No. Pressure
Ma'am,
stone.
hammer.
What is that?
Ma'am, but they told us stone and stone. Pressure flaking.
Pressure flaking. Pressure flaking. Jayant, you are getting confused. Stone on stone means they just hit. They'll take one stone and they'll hit like this. They'll hit like this. Pressure stone means, yeah. Pressure flaking means they keep this stone here and they will take this stone and they'll hit like this, like hammer. That is pressure flaking. Pressure flaking, that is. Pressure flaking. Next.
In dash technique, one stone was used as a hammer to strike off flakes from the other stone.
That is logo. Next. In the Mesolithic age, smaller tools were used extremely and they were called, what are they?
Microlith.
Yes, microlith. Microlith. Chipped stone, core, habitation, factory sites, plating, pressure plating, and microlith. True or false? Next.
True.
Be muted. Make it fast, children.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
Yes. Shall I clear?
Yes. Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next. True or false? That is D bit. Painting found at Bhimbetka and some other Paleolithic sites provide important information about socio-economic activities of the early humans, right or wrong?
True.
True. First one, true. And second one, The people living in both Paleolithic age and Mesolithic age had knowledge of agriculture, right?
False.
No, only Mesolithic people know. Paleolithic people, they don't know agriculture.
Ma'am, because they are the first stage.
Yes,
They
yes,
both are the
yes. At factory side, stone tools were made on a large scale, right?
True.
Yes, it is true. Next, fourth one. Mesolithic people used to cremate their dead bodies, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. Next, fifth one. The Hansi Valley in Karnataka is an important Mesolithic site, right?
True.
Yes, it is true. Is it true? I'm having last bit doubt.
Ma'am, confirmly true.
Yes, we read, but that is Hansi only or some other?
And what is the last one, ma'am? I'll see in the map in page number
Hansi Valley in Karnataka is an important Mesolithic site. Hansi Valley. That is in
Ma'am, but they didn't consider here like that, ma'am.
yes. Somewhere that name is there, but I forgot. Okay, we'll see. I'll check.
Ma'am, you
after
can
class.
send in WhatsApp.
Yes, these are almost that's correct only, but I'm having a little doubt. Okay, I'll let you know. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm sending WhatsApp.
Ma'am, here
Eva.
Hansak is there and Hansi is there, ma'am. Both are there. I'm getting confused. Ma'am, here Hansaki is the Paleolithic sites.
Paleolithic sites, sir.
Yes, ma'am. This is Hansagi.
Not
you're telling-
Hansagi, not
Ma'am,
Hansagi.
false. Which
No,
is ma'am,
not
correct?
Hansagi, not Hansagi, no. This is Hungsi Valley. Hung, Hungsi.
Ma'am, they didn't consider here.
Okay, we'll see. I'll let you know soon. Okay? Now, shall I close this book?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I lost already. Children, please wait till 10:40 because we have started our class late now. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, even we don't have break today, ma'am.
Okay. Do you want break?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. We
No,
want break.
Yes, I'm just closing this. I thought to start new lesson also. It's very, very easy for you. You can understand because we have
Ma'am,
done.
start, ma'am.
Yes, I'm doing.
Ma'am,
When you will do.
the class will end at 10:30, but can you please
Ma'am,
end
what
it
is the
at
chapter, ma'am? You have
Yes,
got-
be muted, children. Try to
10:38, 2 minutes we want to
Ritwik, please be muted. Let me continue. Already, because of my network, we lost time. Please try to cooperate. This is our new lesson, Neolithic age. Our third lesson, history. History third lesson is the Neolithic age. Actually, your test name is Neolithic age, a great leap. Like that it is there, but both are same. Yes. Now we are going to learn about Neolithic age, children.
Ma'am, but in second lesson they have given less information of Neolithic.
Yeah.
age, ma'am.
Now we can learn about Neolithic age in detail in this lesson. So that only I didn't give you more information there. Okay. And in your textbook also they didn't give you more information. See here. Actually, before this Neolithic age. Mostly in Paleolithic age and Mesolithic age, some part of Mesolithic age also, people were like hunters and gatherers. Almost throughout the Paleolithic age, they were hunters and gatherers. And coming to Mesolithic age, they just started community living at the end of Paleolithic age. They started community living In Mesolithic age, they started group like small communities, like small villages in the forest. They started living children. But coming to Neolithic age, they started small villages together living. They started children. Here, these are the important achievements of Neolithic people. And here, we can define the impacts of Neolithic age in the several aspects. That means that in Neolithic age, man developed in different aspects and all around, now what we can say, development, all around development, he took children. And see, one first thing is he started a settled life, and in Mesolithic age itself he started settled life. But coming to Neolithic age, they settled properly, like small villages. That is the first thing. In Neolithic age, man completely started settled life, children. Settled life means that without roaming here and there for food or something else, they have their own homes at a particular place and they live there only. They cultivate lands, they take some domestic animals, and they live together in a community, in a village. That is what is called a settled life. That is the first point, children. And second one is that he also developed agriculture. Agriculture, people started in Mesolithic age, but it's not that developed. But coming to Neolithic age, he just coming to Neolithic age, he just improved agriculture, and he depends on agriculture for more, so many things, for food and all those. Next one, technology. He also improved technology in Neolithic age, children. And the technology means we can understand here, man invented wheel. Because of that wheel only, so many things we are doing, right, children? Yes or no? If we don't know wheel, how life will be, can you imagine? Why nobody is talking? Are you not getting my voice?
I'm getting your voice, ma'am.
You're
Ma'am,
getting.
can you move
Okay.
it, ma'am? I can see your video now only, ma'am.
Okay. And see here, children.
Not
I'm
getting,
talking
ma'am.
You're not getting.
Ma'am, it is breaking for me.
No, ma'am, it is not breaking.
Ma'am,
Okay.
breaking.
Okay, I'll just. Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it's not breaking.
I'll just repeat the same. I'm saying man started settled life in Neolithic age and started improving agriculture in Neolithic age, and he also invented wheel, children. Because of that wheel only, so many developments we have seen in Neolithic age. For example, with that wheel only, they prepare pots, right? How do we prepare pot, children? You might have seen, really if you didn't see also in movies, you might have observed that. Did you see that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. They'll make a pot. Ma'am, only
That,
wheel.
yes.
Only wheel like that and they'll make it.
Yes, that wheel will be running around. That wheel will be running around like this speed. They'll take mud and they just mold it and they make a bowl like pottery. That pottery is started in Neolithic age only, because man invented wheel in Neolithic age. Because of that only, he made pottery for cooking and for bringing water and to store some grains or something, food. That means food. That means rice, wheat or something they have to store. For that, they need something, some bowl like. So They started wheel and pottery. That means they started making pots. In those only they used to store everything, and those pots only helpful for them to bring water or to cook something. For all those needs, they use pots only. That is the technological development in Neolithic age, children. I am just giving an idea for you here, and everything will study in detail. One point we'll take. Next one. Infrastructural development. Infrastructural development means that children, man also started making houses or homes for their life comfortably, and where they have houses near water source, and wherever land is very
Ma'am,
comfortable for the
we'll
farming.
build the houses near the beaches like that, and we'll
Yeah,
build
yeah,
towers.
yes, yes. And not only that, starting we have seen that they didn't dig and they didn't just kept pole like this. For that pole support, they kept big stones. But in this Neolithic age, they developed this also. They dig that soil and they keep the pole and they cover so that it will be strong, right? Like that, some different kinds
Yes,
of
ma'am, it will be very strong.
yeah,
Ma'am,
yeah,
and I have a doubt.
yes.
Ma'am, will earthquakes will come in that age, ma'am? Earthquakes.
Mostly, no, we can say, because why we get earthquakes, actually, children, why we get, because
Ma'am,
we
because
are
of
taking,
pollution, vibration.
no, yeah,
And because of
we have
bombs, ma'am,
seen,
bombs,
we have seen,
radiation.
yes, we have seen in 5th class. You forgot, maybe we have seen an earth will be in different layers. When
Ma'am,
we
plate.
take
Stratosphere, ma'am, it will blast out, ma'am.
Ma'am, it will.
Red
Mute
plates,
it.
ma'am. When one stone will hit with the other,
Be
it
muted,
means all
children.
will blast out.
Yes, be muted.
Ma'am, you said that when one stone will hit with other stone in underground, then
Yes,
earthquake will come.
yes. And that is one reason. And one more reason is we are having bores nowadays. So what we are doing, we are taking all the water out. So when water is, for example, here one stone is there, here one stone is there, in between water is there, and with pipes and all those, with bore wells, we are taking water out. What happens here? Gap will be, so those stones will hit like this, and so that we are getting earthquakes. That is what we have seen in 5th class, right? Yes. So in this age, they didn't take anything. They didn't do any harm to the nature, so that no earthquakes, no floods. They were so happy, right? Next, clothing. Yes, clothing also. They started sewing that animal skins and big leaves in the Mesolithic age. Coming to the Neolithic age, they started using different kinds of, I'll show you later, different kinds of clothing also. They dressed properly. Almost they covered their body in this Neolithic.
Ma'am, fibers,
age.
jute like that. Fibers, jute.
Yes. Next.
Cotton.
Yes. You just remember, children, in Neolithic age, man developed in different ways. He started settling life, did agriculture.
Ma'am,
Let me
this all
talk.
happened before Christ, no, ma'am?
Yes, before Christ only.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. And in Neolithic age, man developed in different directions. And he started settled life, agriculture is improved, technologically also he improved, he invented wheel with that. And here he also developed that building houses and clothing also in different directions. In all the different directions he developed. We'll see all these points one by one now, children. Okay. Are you clear till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Children, exactly 38 I will leave you so that you can join easily for the next class. Okay, more 5 minutes I'll take. And this is the settled life, children. First point, this is the settled life. Man, see how they build houses. They are almost like our houses only, not cement ones. And in villages will be the huts, right?
Ma'am, I think
Ma'am,
so.
hut.
They also build two plus house. Ma'am,
Yes.
like two plus.
Yes, yes, and it
but
is
now it is iron, and that time it is grass.
yes, yeah. See, and they build houses near water source. They used to build, and here with pots they are getting water also. Have you seen? This is very small. Can you see? They're bringing water.
Yes, ma'am, they have
Yes, yes. This is the settled life, children. And the way we live today, settled in homes, close to other people, in towns and cities, protected by law, eating food grown on farms. They used to cultivate their own food through agriculture, and they used to eat, children. And with leisure time to learn something and explore means they're improving their knowledge. And invent is a result of the Neolithic revolution. That means that in Neolithic age, man did so many things. And here they used to live like a village, and they used to help one another, and they improved agriculture. And not only that, in free time for their food, they depend on agriculture only. And not only that, in leisure time, they didn't simply waste time. They tried and tried to invent new things. Like that only, he invented a wheel, and with that wheel, their life was changed extremely, we can say. And that is the settled life. That is the first point, children. And next one, agriculture. Agriculture. About 7,000 years ago, started to cultivate crop, children. See, people, they are now, they got crop and they are just taking the grains out from the crop. After that, you might have seen in villages. Have you seen this? They collect all the grains.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Man,
That is what.
threshing.
Yes, that is what they are doing here. That is what they are doing here. Almost 7,000 years back only, this agriculture was developed by the Neolithic people. This is agriculture. And next one is that farming. And not only agriculture, as we have seen in Mesolithic age itself, man started farming. That means they just tried to take some animals, domestic animals. Here, see, one dog is there.
I'm German.
Yes, one goat is there. Like that, man also started farming in Neolithic age, children. And he selected
How many
some.
years back, ma'am?
This is also our Neolithic age starts are around 10,000 years back. So maybe 7,000 or 8 to 6 we can say. 8,000, 7,000 or 6,000. At that age, he started farming also. And he selected some domestic animals, and he came to know we can drink milk, we can make some curd, we can use all those products to eat. Like that.
Ma'am,
He
this
came
is
to
BC.
No selling and buying, ma'am.
these are all BC only, ma. These are all BC only. Okay. Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
this is about farming. This is about farming, children. I'll show you one more picture. This is people, sedentary people. People of the Neolithic age were sedentary. That means they used to live like this, helping each other, together. This is what their life, how they live. See, here they are just doing something. There's weaving or doing something here.
What is that, ma'am? Repeat, please.
Sedentary people means that they used to live together.
They are weaving clothes, ma'am.
Yes, maybe they are weaving clothes only in this picture, maybe. And here, sedentary people means that they
I
used
think
to
it's
live
factory
together.
types.
Yes, they used to live together, helping each other. They used to live together, helping each other. That is their lifestyle. As we are living now, they started 10,000 years back only. Those 10,000, and now we are in 2020. That means how many thousands? 12,020 years back only, man
Ma'am,
helped each other.
2000 years.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's what
2000 ma'am, 2000
houses.
years ago. Ma'am, 2000 years ago, before BC, ma'am. After 2000 years ago, now CE, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
means AD.
Yes, 10,000 years, 10,000 years BC, that is Neolithic age. Plus, we are having AD 2000. That means 12,000 years back only, man started agriculture and they started sedentary life. They also had farming also, right? See how man is developing.
Ma'am,
Next.
it's what they built the houses.
It's 39.
Ma'am, but it is
Okay,
like
ma.
too late.
Yes. Yes, children will stop here. It's already 39 because you may be having class and I do have class at 10:40. We'll stop here and I'll take the same slides for the next class also and we can continue in the next class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
But you read the lesson.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, just 20 members are there, ma'am.
They left already. What we can do? Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you so much, children. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye, ma. I am leaving. You also leave. I'm also having class.